Sending out employee reviews is quick and easy. First, you can double-check the employee performance review templates under the Settings menu. A default is provided for you, which you can view. You can also edit the default if you would like to make a few changes. To add your own employee performance review template, you can click on New at the top of the screen, provide it with a title, a description, and then start adding as many questions as you want. Once done, you can click on Save at the bottom, and the new review template is added. Sending out an employee performance review is just as easy. In the Services menu, scroll down and click on Performance Reviews. Click on New at the top. On the form, we firstly select the employee under review. We then select the period from and to under review. We can then select the review template, and lastly, we select the coworkers who would be doing the reviews. You can also include the employee under review to do a self-review. To select more than one, hold down the Shift key when selecting reviewers. As you will note, once saved, the employees with an email address in their profile will get a unique link to access and complete the review. For those without emails, you can share links on WhatsApp. You also have an option to copy the unique links or resend it via email individually. Once the links are sent out, reviewers can click on their unique links and complete the performance reviews with ratings out of 5 for each question, and add notes. Once they are done, they can simply click on Save. As each survey is completed, the overall average will update, and you will be able to see who completed their reviews already too.